ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to introduce you to the Veterans Garage motorcycle's first creation. This is the Apache, the VGM Apache, and don't take my word for it. We're going to get our quality control guy and test rider, Big Percy, and he's going to take you for a spin.
Okay. All right, we have the Veteran Garage Motors Apache right here, and we're going to give it a test ride. From a first glance, it looks it's a very nice bike, quite sexy. So we've got a 125cc engine made by Longshin. Longshin works with BMW, so you know it's a good engine. You can see we have disc brakes in the back, independent disc brakes in the front, and nice big tires. These are beautiful. That's a good looking bike. Let's hop on and give it a ride. Oh, by the way, we can't ship it with fuel in the engine, so we have this extra fuel tank. But if you want it, we'll sell it for 5 quid. No worries. All right, let's give it a ride. Okay, it's a big bike, good for a tall person. All right, she feels good. Nice shocks. Okay, let's see. The display is quite full. We got fuel, time, RPMs, gear, miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Looks good. Let's start her up. All right, feels good. Nice solid bike. Let's give her a ride. Here we go. All right, she feels good. Just a nice pull, not too heavy of a bike. Great bike for getting around town or if you want to learn to ride. And great for a tall person. I'm 6'4", so I've had a lot of trouble with smaller bikes. All right, let's give it a nice acceleration in third gear. Okay. Here we go. All right, yeah. Disc brakes stop well. Not a motorcycle.